Add a post to your story not showing or missing on Instagram. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimu from The Solution Guy, and in this card video I'll show you the way on how you can fix if Instagram says that the add post to story option is missing when you're trying to share someone's post to your own Instagram account or story. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, to make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. Without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. Now first of all, just make sure you have either downloaded or updated the Instagram app to the latest version. And you can do this by heading over to your app store, in the search box typing in Instagram, and go ahead and simply either download or update the application. Once you've updated the Instagram app, I want you to go over and then simply open it up. The next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. So let's say that from here, if I just go ahead and select a random profile, and if I want to add this particular post to my story, all I have to do is I have to actually tap on this DMs icon, and you'll find the option called add post to your story. When you tap on it, it'll basically take us to a page where we can share their post to our own story on Instagram. But in some occasion, let's say that even if you tap on the three dots, you don't find the option. So let me just go ahead and select somebody's post over here, let's say. Now if I come to my following tab and if I select one person's particular DM icon, let's say I want to share this post to my story, but if I tap on the DM icon, you can see we don't have the add post to story option. Now this happens because this is a private account. So if the user has a private account, it means that even if you try to add them to post to your story, you will not be able to do so because of the limitation. As you can read over there, it says the people below may not be able to see this post unless they follow this particular person. Only public accounts post can be directly shared to your story, not the private accounts post. So instead, what I would recommend you do is to fix this, you can take a simple screenshot of this particular post. Once you take a simple screenshot, we can actually just go ahead and then crop them by selecting and then cropping that to the minimum version over here. Once you crop that particular photo and hit the save icon over here, what I want you to do is come to the story tab and select that particular photo which you selected. And what you can do is instead you can just go ahead and then tag and mention that particular person, because directly for private accounts you will simply not be able to tag somebody or add their post to your own profile. So this is simply the way it works. You have to make sure to actually go ahead and then tag them manually by adding a screenshot of their post. And this is how you can fix if the add post to story option is missing, and I also tell you why it was missing. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.